Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT, not just as a chat box, but as a form of new media. I'll explore how it works, how it fits into Web 3.0, and why it matters as both a tool and a cultural shift. So, what is ChatGPT? It's an artificial intelligence chat box developed by OpenAI. It's trained on huge amounts of internet data and can respond to prompts, answer questions, create content, and hold conversations like a human would. It exists entirely online and has become super popular for tasks ranging from schoolwork to business, just to casual chatting. From a rhetorical perspective, ChatGPT's purpose is to provide fast conversational answers. Its audience is basically anyone with internet access, students, professionals, or casual users. And its context is that it's now competing with things like Google search and Siri as a primary tool for getting information. So, Web 2.0 versus Web 3.0. When we think about new media, ChatGPT fits more into Web 3.0 than 2.0. Web 2.0 was about interaction, like social media, but Web 3.0 is about intelligence and personalization. ChatGPT uses machine learning and natural language processing to give answers based on understanding, not just keywords. So, it's an example of media evolving beyond just static content and human created interaction. Sticky or spreadable? Is ChatGPT sticky or spreadable? Personally, I would say both. It's sticky because people keep coming back to it for answers, kind of like a personal assistant, but it's also spreadable. People constantly share its responses online, whether it's funny conversations, helpful answers, or creative content like stories or code. Convergence and participatory culture. ChatGPT is a great example of convergence culture. It combines search engines, personal assistants, and chatbots into one tool. It's also participatory culture because users shape its development through feedback and prompt sharing. In a way, we're all participating in improving or expanding how AI functions just by using it. Deeper meaning. The deeper meaning could be analyzed as a symbol of the digital shift in human communication, a reflection of modern society's desire for instant answers, a tool raising questions about authenticity, authorship, and human versus machine intelligence. Message of the medium. The message of the medium here is interesting. ChatGPT shows that conversation itself has become a digital interface. People are comfortable asking questions to something non human and accepting answers. It suggests that, as a society, we value speed and convenience enough to trust a machine's voice over searching for answers ourselves. So, my 5 questions, I put in multiple. First, do you think AI like ChatGPT should be required to disclose when content is AI generated? Personally, I think that it should be required to disclose when content is AI generated, just for artist reasons mainly. Second, how might AI tools like ChatGPT change the way we learn and do research in the future? Do you think it'll be positive or negative? I think personally that it will be positive because although like simpler things that don't matter too much will be able to get figured out quicker so that humans can focus on the real things that matter that ChatGPT doesn't have the answers to. Third, in what ways do you think ChatGPT is sticky versus spreadable, or can something be both? Like I already stated, I think ChatGPT is both, so I do think something can be both. Fourth, does interacting with ChatGPT feel more like using a tool or having a conversation? Personally, I feel it's like like using a tool, but I do know a lot of people that use it as a conversation, like the AI that we have on Snapchat. I know a lot of people that talk to ChatGPT like a person, which is a little bit creepy to me, but to each their own. And lastly, what do you think the message of the medium is when we use AI chat boxes? What does relying on this type of interface say about us as a society? I think relying on ChatGPT says that we are a little bit lazy as a society, but I think that's something that's been already known, and that ChatGPT is maybe just helping us exploit that, but it also can be helpful, like I've stated. Thank you for listening, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask, and please respond to as many questions as you feel the need to respond to. I would love to hear y'all's thoughts.